Okay, I've started recording. So in the last class, we have almost completed the rig. So the final stage, once we apply all the IK handles and all, and the connection, between curves, the controllers and the joint as constraints which we apply, then the parenting part from top to bottom, it should go parenting. You need to select the top curve and the bottom curve parent. So like that. So now, finally, even this curve is child of this. So separate hip is child of, hip, all this are child of this thing separately. See, the spine is child of this. Hip curve separately is child of this. Then both the hand curve and the pole vectors are child of this, and the leg controller and pole vector are child of this. So when I select, this is the output which I'm getting. And in the last class, one more step I did, that is the bones one. You need to select all the bone setup, group it, name it as bones group, and the bone group should be child of this one. Bone group is selected, shift select this P. Then after that, IK handles you need to select. See, how do you know that it is not done? So when you select this, IK handles are in pink color still. Okay, so that means it's not done. So now what I'm doing, I'm just selecting the IK handles, both hand IK handles and leg IK handles. You need to group this IK handles group. So IK handles group should be child of this one, P. So I'm selecting this. So now everything, including IK handle, everything should look in green color. So that means it's done. Okay. So in this case, you can scale it out, you can rotate. So it's good, it's fine. Okay. So after this, the next process is of skinning. Let's do skinning part. Okay. So I'll save as another scene. 04 character rigging skinning. So now this is the process of skinning now. So for skinning, what we have to do, make sure it is not in template or reference mode. Let it be in normal mode. Okay. So first thing, select this cog joint. Select the cog joint. Okay, first select the body. Select the body. Shift select the cog joint. First body, then select the cog joint. Or else if you are facing challenges to select, what you can do, you have to click on outliner, global controller, open that. Bones group you can open, cog group you can open. Select the object and control click on cog joint. Go to rigging here. Go to rigging. In rigging, go to skin, bind skin, bind skin, option box. By default, you can give this only joint hierarchy. Everything is fine. Okay. Skinning method, classic linear, all this thing is fine. Just click on bind skin. Now the joints, once the skinning part is done, the base level of skinning is done. Now let's see. Okay, head is not skinned. Okay, head part is not skinned. I think what we have to do is, okay, I'll just do Control Z. Okay, so show none, show polygons. I'll just turn on and show polygons only. I'll apply a default material. Let me apply Lambert and color. Choose some color like this. Okay. So I'm selecting all this model, edit, delete by type history, modify, freeze, transform, modify, center pivot. Okay, I should not do for I part. Okay, select everything excluding this I. I is already linked with the joints and all. Okay, what I'll do, edit, delete by type history, modify, freeze, transform, modify, center pivot, and I would like to combine this. I go to modeling, mesh, combine. I would like to combine this entire model. After that, edit, delete by type history again. Now what I'll do, show all, show all. So here what I'll do, select the body, control click on the cog, go to skin, bind skin. Now it's done. So let's see, including head part, it's there. Okay, so the leg part seems, it's a bit, okay. When it's like this. Okay, now let me take this leg part. Okay, this leg parenting part seems disconnected. Let me check. We need to reconnect. Select this ankle like a handle, shift select the joint P. Select this IK handle and shift select this reverse joint P. Select this and this joint P. Similarly, let me check here. Select this P. Select this joint and the reverse joint P. Select in this P. Now let me check with the model so that it's fine. Yeah. Okay, there are some issue in skinning. We need to work on this. Let us see why this issue is. Okay, the problem is I think joint, the placement of joints. Okay, this is the one. Let's see the hand part. Okay, see if the hands are moving a lot, even here and all, it is affecting. So that's what skinning part we have to do properly. Now the leg movement is like this. The rotation is like this. The rotation and all is fine. head rotation is fine. Eyeball movement is also fine. Okay, see, it's deforming. So we need to work on this. Work on the skinning manually. Now the bind skin is done. After that, what we have to do? Select this, right click, paint skin weight tool. Remember, this is what we have to do. Paint skin weight tool, or else in skin, you have paint skin weight tool. You need to select the character, paint skin weight tool, go to option box. That's how it is. So in tool settings, we get like this. Okay. So which joint has been selected here? So that joint influence you see here. Now let's say the cog joint. Cog joint is the center one. The influence is surrounded. I'll select the hip joint. The hip joint influence is surrounded here. Okay. So thigh, this is left thigh. It is affecting here. Okay. Left knee is affecting up to here. So we'll see. We'll see how to work on this. Okay. Now let's start from cog. So cog is, this center is the cog part. Okay. So you have to observe here another two things. Do you want to paint, or do you want to paint select this particular part? Here you see the paint operations. You see, do you want to replace the influence, or you want to add the influence, or scale the influence, or smooth the influence? Okay. For the cog joint, what you have to do? So I first thing, reduce the brush size. Okay. So opacity here it is defined. One stands for full opacity, zero stands for no opacity. Okay. If I add, it gets white color here. White stands for adding more influence. Influence here it is, white represents the cog joint will affect these areas. Okay. Now cog joint is affecting this area. Okay. So the cog is the center part. Let it affect this much. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go with smooth, or else let me replace with white the cog part. Let the cog affect these areas up to here. Okay. Then I smooth this. Okay, I'll do one thing. I make it 0, and I don't want to happen here. Cog is selected, no? Not smooth, replace with 0. And I make this smoother. Just click and do like this. It is getting smoother. You have to keep on click on this. Now I select hip. When I select hip part, hip is here. It should affect the lower part, not the top part. Okay.
Yes.
So it is affecting like this. Select this. Go to paint skin weight tool. Hip. Replace. So another option is I make it 0 or value blood should happen. Mode paint select. Let us see one second. Select the model. I'm just doing unbind skin. Then let us select this. Edit, delete by type, all by type. Edit, delete all by type history. Select the model. Select the joint. Skin, bind skin. Paint skin right to. Yeah, it's happening. See. So what I did, I just reset the tool. It should be in paint, and here it is in replace. Opacity is how much ever we are adding opacity, but value matters. Value I made 0, and this joint is thigh. This is thigh joint. It should not affect knee. See, I'm removing the weight here. White color adds the weight. I'm removing weight. So even what you can do, work only on the left leg part or left part. Later we can mirror the influence to right part also. This is the thigh part. Thigh part up to here, I don't want any influence. So later what I do is I'll take smooth, I smooth this part. Okay, only this leg. Now observe left leg, go to replace, make it 0 value. Left leg, it should not affect in the right leg part. That will do. So this kind of painting part we have to do. This manually we have to do skinning. Okay. Now I take knee. Knee should affect only this part. So knee is affecting a lot. So till the on the bottom also it is affecting knee joint. We have to paint this manually. Or else even what you can do, if this seems more, I have selected only knee joint, value 0. 0 means completely black, flood. Now knee joint is not affecting anyone, any of the vertex part. I value 0 I have added. Now manually let me add 1. Knee should affect left knee. Like this. Left knee. Okay. So then I'll go to smooth. I'll add smooth the top part. And the bottom part. So it's manually painting. Okay. So now what happens when I take this and I lift it? Okay, there's a lot of weight is gone. A lot of issues are there. We'll fix this. I think if I add more weight, it will be done. Or else let's do one thing. unbind, select this, edit, delete all white type. It's not delete all white type. Select this, edit, delete white type history. Select this and cog, skin, bind skin. After that, I'm selecting this. I'm gonna fine tune few more. So I'm just giving prune small weights that I have done now. Okay, this is the skin part. The legs are so closer. That's the reason I'm getting this part here. So even though legs are like this, I can take this out. That's the problem with character. Edit and skin. Select this and this. D. Skin, unbind skin. Let me check the placement. Okay, so select this and this, press D. I think it should be front. I think leg part, it is having some issue in rigging. This is the common thing. Okay. So what we'll do, I think we may have to rework on this part. Okay, that's one thing. But up to here, when we do the skinning, up to here, it's how like this is how it is. Everything it is working, and even the character skin part is also fine. So here we need to add another one. Okay. So base skinning part I'll show you. What I'll do, I'll create another rig. I'll take another character. This character, it's so close. I think another skin we will create the joint setup separately only for the leg part here. Okay. In the meantime, like we can create here this one. For this controller, we need to add few more controller here. Okay. That is here we will be adding some extra channel attributes channel part, wherein if I change values here, it should affect here. I'll show you how it is in another character. Okay. I'll save this. E class check animation files animation rig files album model Stewart. So this is a character, Stewart character. Okay. So now if I see, if I take the leg part, here you can see in the leg part here, upper leg stretch or bend, it is there. Okay. Bend bows. Okay. Lower leg stretch, like these things. Squash and stretch off. These things are there. Okay. And global controllers on. See here, the fingers part. It's an example which I'm showing here. Master cup. Okay. This part here, finger, fist spread. Okay. Like these are the things, which we need to add. This we need to add separate controllers, and along with that, uh, after adding these controllers, we need to link to the joint setup. Okay. So this is another part which I'm referring to. This is called set key. Okay. This is a set key portion that we will do. Okay. What I'll do is I'll just show you for the leg rig what we have done. Okay. Only for the leg part. Then for the entire body we will see. Okay. I'll show you that. So this is the rig character has to be something like this. Okay. Okay. For example, this leg part is that here. If I add set keys and all, like separately for these joints, we need to add. Okay. So here, right click. mm, Remove from. Okay, go to edit. Yeah, here go to edit. See, normally you have to select this one. There are some attributes are changed compared to different versions. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to select this, edit, add attribute here. So if you add attribute, you get an add attribute controller, add attribute for leg controller. So long name, one name we will add. It is leg controller, or not leg controller, heel, roll heel, roll underscore healed. Is this keyable? Yes, it has to be keyable, and the data type has to be float. Okay. Minimum value is 0. Maximum value is 10. Default is 0. So when you change here, the value 1 is there, right? I can make this minimum as 0, maximum as 10. Okay, guys, this when this call ends, connect again. Okay, when the call ends. When minimum value is 0, maximum is 10. So I'll just give OK. This is roll heal. So now you see in the bottom, roll heal, you got it. Okay. Only for the leg part you do now. So next I'll show you the finger parts and all separately. First one is roll heal. I'll go to edit attribute again. I'll add attribute again. Okay. So here, okay, what and all things which I have to do? What is roll heal? I'm gonna do only for the, I'll select this model, I'll hide it. So select this joint. Roll heel stands for selecting this joint. We do like this, the leg part, placing heel on at the floor, we just lift it like this. This is roll heel. This is 0, this is 10, and this is 0. Okay. And negative also can go, right? I think negative also can go. So what we can do, negative also I'll do. I'll select this, edit. I select this. Edit attribute.